Welcome to Unit 4.5. In this unit, we're going to learn how to take off subtotals, grand totals, and fill blanks in pivot tables. So let's just do a quick pivot table example here. Insert pivot from the A to the O. Remember to change once again in design to tabular. And we're just going to do a very simple, let's count race by office ID, and perhaps gender as well. Now you can see we have these totals over here. So how would we remove them? You could right click and just untick subtotal, and right click and subtotal again to put them back. Alternatively, you can go to the Analyze sheet, Design sheet, and over here you can turn subtotals. You can choose not to show them, or show all subtotals at the bottom. If you prefer, you can look at the top. And these grand totals I can switch off to. Remember to turn your blanks off too. Now, as you can see, underneath the actual office, the city, it's left a blank. Now, sometimes you need to export this data from Excel into something else, and it needs to know that this is also a record for Amsterdam. So as opposed to copying and pasting every single option here, you can choose to go in your report layout to repeat all item labels, and that will just do it automatically for you. And if you choose not to do it, do not repeat item labels, and it will remove it. So that's a very nice thing to know, especially if it's a very big report and you have to export it. Just into your report layout and repeat all item labels, and it will repeat. And again, to summarize, the easiest way to turn totals on and off is really just to right click. Those are your subtotals. And your grand totals will be up here in your design ribbon.